In the place far from the city, there is an old house where the scientist live. He is very obsessed of experimenting the human. He wants to turn himself to be an immortal being. But one day his experiment was failed and turns into a bloody night. He is John. He is the only one person who left in the village.
On that day, I remember how he killed people in the village, and I am so terrified, and I don't know what to do. My parents just killed, and I'm the only one person who lived behind in my village, and I'm so scared.
According to John, the scientist who turned into a monster never stopped chasing them. He killed the villager using the chainsaw.
How did you survive on that day?
Before my dad died, he took me inside the basement. I was 15 years old on that day, but I saw them died. I really want to scream, but I'm afraid.
Today, John is now 31 years old, but he said the brutal killing in their village is still fresh for him, and the scientist who turned into a monster is still alive. Nobody knows where he is.